Guys, welcome back. In this third video, I'm going to cover about how to write a Python sample program, and as well as I'm going to discuss about syntax. Okay. So guys, in this video, we already mentioned about like Python installation guide. In second video, that will help to you how to install the Python on your laptop. Right now, I'm using Anaconda Navigator, which is a very easy way to write the Python code. We have many options. Like for example, I can use a Spider Python development environment. Okay, or it is one type of IDE. And if you want to utilize a notebook, okay, you can utilize it. But it is very easy way to write the Python, and you can human readable documents which is described for the data analysis purpose, right? You can do all these things with help of notebook. Okay, so in home tab, when you will open Anaconda Navigator, the default, these are all the options are available. You want to install the particular IDE, select that and click on install. So once it will take like couple of minutes or 5 minutes. Then once it installs, you just click on launch. When you click on launch, this window will open, guys. Okay, you can create a particular folder if you want. Okay, you can create a particular folder. Inside that folder, you can do the practice. So right now, I just already created this practice folder. Now I just opening this already notepad. Okay, here now I'm going to explain about the syntax part of the Python. Okay, basically guys, I'm just writing one sample small program. Okay, hello world. Okay, I'm just running this code. We have options of run, stop, up and down if you want to go right like this. Okay, you want to run the code, you can select this. You can stop the code which is running long time, right? You can stop the code also. So these are the general options are available. We can explore more in coming classes. So now I just printed this hello world. So in this sample code, I just write the print function. Inside that, I mention the hello world text in single quote. You can use the double quotes also, guys. So it's not a, it is not a specific. You can stick with single or double quote. You can utilize single or double quote. Okay. And now here, one more sample code. Here I'm writing if 57 is greater than 4. Okay. Please make sure you should use proper spaces, guys. If 57 is greater than 4, so what it will give? Let me print 57 is big. Okay. I'm just writing some sample code. I will see it is printing 57 is big. So what is the reason behind I have written this one? So I want to explain like some syntax level. If you want to write like any functions or any other, if you want to write the print, right, you make sure you should give some spaces, 4 spaces, or at least you have to use the same number of spaces in the block of code. Otherwise, Python will give an error, guys. Okay. And apart from this, you should use up to like 4 spaces, but it has to be at least 1. Okay. So now right now I have used the 4 spaces before the print. So that is the reason it is, it is a proper way to write the Python program, guys. Okay. And here, after mentioning the expression here, 5 is greater than 4, right? So make sure you should provide the colon. Okay. These are the, if you want to write any function, you should follow this pattern, guys. Okay. This is a basic way. We have to make sure the indentation. Okay. Indentations also you should mention it properly. Okay. For example, print before the unit to mention the spaces. So like this we can use, for example, I want to utilize the comments also, right? I can utilize the comments. So comments, like it is like help to make readable also. Okay, if you want to create a comment, you can mention like, for example, I just want to write some key things here. Okay, Ash, this is if block. If block with the bigger number check. So I have mentioned, if anybody seeing what is the purpose of logic, so you need to utilize the comments. Okay, that will help to easily readable. And one more thing, commenter start with the hash, and on Python will ignore this one. This won't execute this code. Okay, Python will not allow to execute this one. Okay, and you can write the comment like this also, printing the number. Okay, you can mention like this also whenever you want. Okay, so guys, what I mean to say, if you want to like write the proper code, so you should follow some basic syntax and where I have to use the comment, right? So those are key importance for the Python programming. So this is about the major thing, guys. And coming about when it comes to case sensitive, for example, if I write a equal to 1, okay, I'm assigning a equal to 1. A is like a variable and store one value, okay? And a equal to, for example, a equal to 1, a equal to 2, okay? I'm printing a is not a, okay? Let me add into the single case. Now, let me execute this one. So what it means, case sensitive guys here. So a equal to 1, a equal to 2. So a is not a a. It means a is, the small a is not a guys. Okay. I'm just mentioning this way. It means whenever you utilize it properly, make sure you should provide proper case sensitive values. Okay. That is important here. And one more thing is, apart from this, we have some data types. Okay. And variables. Okay, we will discuss in next video, guys. So this is enough some basic syntax and how to use a comment and what is indentation spaces, we how much we have to utilize and how much we need to put the spaces and what is the case sensitive. I just discussed about it. Okay, this is enough, guys, in order to understand the basic syntax of Python. We will explore more in coming classes.